We do need to move it a little bit because now that I turn the camera on, it moves. So go bring it back a little bit. Okay, in, forward, keep coming, towards you, forward, a little bit more forward, a little more towards you. That works, okay. Might have to be different for every video. We might have to figure it out every video. Yeah. Do me a favor, turn the light off for a second.
Oh, yeah.
Sure. Well, you could have left it on there, just for the, either way.
Okay.
Turn the light off. Okay, turn it off one place or the other. I just want to see if the video is better with the side lights on or off. But I want to see because that looks pretty good. Alexa, garage shelf lights off. Alexa, garage shelf lights off.
Okay.
Okay, let me look again. Alexa, garage shelf lights on.
Okay.
I don't know that there's a difference. I mean, there's a difference. I don't know which one's better. You want to look at it and see what you think? So that's what I'm on.
That's on?
Yep. Alexa, garage shelf lights off.
Okay.
Bear, I don't really see like a difference except, well, turn them back on.
Alexa, garage shelf lights on.
One thing I want to see.
Okay.
Well, one thing is the meter is too glary.
Ah, good point.
So
Alexa, garage shelf lights off.
Let's see if they're off.
Okay.
It's
still kind of glary, huh?
Yeah.
Tilt it a little, just rotate it. Don't move it. Just turn the lamp a little bit towards you, like rotate it. Nope, okay, other way. A little bit more. Nope. There's a sweet spot. Yeah, that works.
Okay. All right.
We'll try bringing it forward, I guess. Let's just see if we have it closer. A little further more.
Well,
try turning it a little bit away from you. Let's just see if we can find a sweet spot. Yeah, you saw how it got better for a second, then it got worse. You see, there's like right there.
Yep.
Okay.
Well, that's like.
Okay, let's start the video over.